arrested, and I'm using arrested advisedly, not in the legal sense. When he was abducted, no one read him his rights. No one told him what he was being arrested for. No one told him that he was entitled to call a lawyer. In particular, his phone was taken, which made it impossible for him to call his lawyer. And no one told him what the allegations against him were. Nothing. Nothing.
No right to silence.
Nothing. Section 50 is yeah. And when he was then taken, oh yes. When they arrived at his house, you know those big French glass doors? The point of entry was that glass door kicked. You know, Makrisa, Moana, they think those boots are for kicking in doors. That's what they did. So his house right now is a huge gaping hole with glass all over where they gained entry.